How to unfollow everyone on TikTok at once. Let's get started. Launch your TikTok app. Here we go. You will land to the For You page. Now at the bottom, you're going to find different options. Navigate to the option of profile. With that, you'll land to your profile page. Now over here, you'll find this section of following. Click on it. Now here you're going to find all of your following list. Now how can you unfollow everyone on TikTok at once? As if right now there is no such option within TikTok to unfollow everyone on a single tap. But what you can do is click on this option of following to unfollow these people. With that you have just unfollowed these people. But if you have used following on your TikTok account and you want to unfollow everyone at a single tap, what you can do is just head back, go to your profile page. At the top right corner you will find 3 bars, click on it. Click on the option of settings and privacy. Over here, you're going to find different sections. Scroll all the way down. Under support and about, you'll find the option of report a problem. Click on it. Now scroll all the way down. At the bottom, you'll see the option of submit a report. Click on it. Now over here, you have to explain about the issue. You can type in you have used following list and it's impossible to unfollow all those people at once. So please clear your following list and then you can submit it. Also, you can add the screenshot of your following list and then you can submit it. Once you submit it, TikTok support team will get back to you and with that your problem will be fixed. So this way you can easily unfollow everyone on TikTok at once. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.